In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how scammers make fake video calls to lure their prey on WhatsApp and Facebook. Be careful of fake video calls. Please note that this video is for educational purposes and not for scamming, okay? And if you are new to this channel, please do well to subscribe. First of all, we need to install the application or the software that they use, okay? This is the application ManyCam. So I'm just going to double click on the setup. This is the latest ManyCam, or double click on it, okay? Then click yes. Then click accept terms and condition, then click accept again, and then to begin the installation process. Alright, so once this is done, you can click on finish, and then in the file, if you are using my file, that means you see this loader inside the folder, okay? So this loader is what you copy to the file location of the ManyCam you just installed, okay? You just have to copy this. Then if the ManyCam is open, you have to close it first because you have not yet activated it. So you close it because you can see the ManyCam logo is showing up here. So you have to close this first. Then go to this arrow at the bottom right. You see the ManyCam here, okay? So just right click on it and exit. Once that is done, you will now go to your desktop. Let me open my desktop now. Or rather, you can click on the window button then and look for ManyCam. Okay, this is ManyCam. You just right click on it, then go to open file location. You can do the same thing when you go to your desktop and then you click on open file location. This is not the file location actually, so you right click on it again and say open file location. Alright, so you can see this PC, look at this program file 86, and this is the ManyCam folder, the file, okay? So this is where the files are being located. Next, you have to paste that loader you just copied here. I think it will be very easy for you to pass through the desktop. Just right click on your ManyCam or the desktop, then click on continue and paste it. Once you have pasted, you can now activate it by right clicking on the loader and then run as administrator, then click yes, okay? You wait while it's open. Alright, you can see we have the activated latest version of this ManyCam. Next, I want to show you how this is being used for calling, okay? Underneath, you can add pictures, you can add videos here that you want to play. So you can either go through this place by clicking on this three dot menu here, okay, or by just clicking on the three dot menu to give you these long options. You can see a lot of options here where you have this image and video. You can also right click on the viewable page where you have the, once you right click on it, the options will also show. Then you can see this image and video, HD camera, whatever you want, option you want to use from here, you can just select it. But for the purpose of this video, we are going to select this image and video, okay? Once you select it, it will take you right to your folders, maybe your document, your desktop, where you can actually pick a picture that you want to use. All right, on my desktop, I'm going to pick a video from here anyway. I'm going to use this very video. Merry Christmas, okay? I'll just click on it and then click on open. Alright, you can see this video is not fit to page. So what I'm going to do here, you can pause it from this area, okay? You can pause it here, you can play around with it. Then from here, you can mute the sound completely. If you don't want the next person you are calling to hear the voice of the video you are using, you just want only your voice to be heard over there, you can just mute it from here. Then this other side of the left hand side, you can see different options here where you have the zoom and you have the corner radius. If you want to do radius, you have capacity here. Meanwhile, if you call with this, the person will notice that this is a pre-recorded video, okay? So what you do to make it fit to this page is to zoom it from here, okay? You can zoom it and make it fit, okay? So maybe this video may not be that okay for this purpose, but this is just an example. All right, so next I'm going to show you how to make this ManyCam your default camera, okay? All right, so before we proceed, we need to make sure the camera to our system is enabled and the microphone is also enabled as well. So what you need to do is to click on the Windows button here, okay? Then click on settings. So when you get to your setting, you just select this privacy, okay? Okay, at this privacy area, you will see different options. At the left hand side, you can see camera here. Click on the camera and make sure this is turned on. You have to make sure your camera is enabled, and the app you want to use to access your camera, you have to turn them on here. You can see I turned my WhatsApp on, so that's how you do that. You can see allow desktop app to access your camera, so all your desktop app can actually access your camera, including your ManyCam. Next, you have to make sure the microphone is also enabled, so you just go down to where you find this microphone and also enable it. This is microphone. You can see I already turned it on, so it's enabled, and all my app can also access my microphone, including ManyCam, which is currently in use. Okay, all right, next, so we have to just close this, and if you are using WhatsApp web, you have to go to your Chrome. If it is Chrome, you have your WhatsApp web, you can go to Chrome and also enable your microphone and your camera. All right, let's say for instance I'm using my WhatsApp web on Google Chrome, so I'll just go to my Chrome browser. So once you open the Chrome browser, you can see the 3-dot menu at the top right, so you just select this and then scroll down to where you have settings, and at the left hand side you can see privacy and security. Click on privacy and security, then you can scroll down to where you have site settings. All right, now you find camera and microphone here. So what you need to do is just to click on this camera and then select ManyCam here. Okay, you can see I already selected ManyCam, so just make sure your camera is on ManyCam, and then you go back to the microphone and do the same thing. But because I'm using my USB audio microphone, I can just leave it at this. But if you are not using that, you can also select ManyCam, or if you can select the system or the internal audio, whatever you want to select from here, you can just select. If you want to use ManyCam audio, you can select it, but I am using USB audio, so I will just leave it at that. And that is all for Chrome browser, or for any browser that you are using for your WhatsApp web. Okay, all right, so lastly, you can go to your WhatsApp and then click on setting and go to the options area. You have video and voice option. Click on video and voice option. You can then select microphone, you can select ManyCam, or you can select default. If you select default, if your ManyCam is on default, definitely that will be your microphone. But if you don't believe that your ManyCam is the default, you can select it from here to be your default microphone. That is if you are not sure of what you just did. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to leave it at default device and then continue. Then after that, you can now go to your ManyCam again and then enter the video you want to use, because like I told you earlier, this video is not too okay. I wouldn't like to use this, so I will change the video to the one I want to use. I will just right click here and then select image and video. I have a new video on here. I will select it, then click on open. Okay, I'm just going to pause it, then take it back to the beginning of the video, and then you can see I already mute the sound. Next, like I told you earlier too, if you click on it, options will display at the left hand side. So if you want to zoom it, you can zoom it from here. Adjustment takes place from this other end. Okay, all right, so once all these have been successfully set up, you can now go to your WhatsApp and then make a call. You must make sure that your internet connection is turned on. All right, I'll turn on the internet connection and make a call. Okay, we are going to be calling better time, so I will just click on this here and make a call. All right, so we are calling better time now on my other phone, so it's ringing. I will just pick it up. Okay, I just pick it up. All right, you can see my microphone is displaying there. Okay, so once you call the person, you have to go back to your ManyCam while you are waiting, then you will now play the video. Okay, you can also adjust your ManyCam. You can see it while the ManyCam is playing. You can see the person on the top right of your video. All right, so that's exactly how to use this ManyCam to make a fake video call. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell so that whenever we drop a video like this, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.